Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First thing first, Brent oil just again this skyrocket. That's the reason the markets are in the sell-off at the moment. Why did that happen? Because the Iranian religious leader has said, I do not suggest the ships to go past through the Hormuz Strait. So that's the reason crude oil has been go up at the moment. So Trump administration is making maybe a Jones deal to be, to make him maybe a little bit suspend the Jones deal for the get low the crude oil. They want to be lower the oil at the moment. That's the reason the American market just sold off at the moment. Why is it selling? Because if the crude oil will be go up, the inflation will be go up. If the inflation go up, the interest rates of the central banks won't be go down, and that's the reason for the markets are selling at the moment. It can be go violate this trend line, seems like, but we need to wait. We don't have to be just talk about very early. It has to be end of day to the 6,700 level, and then the second day it had to be go through below there and had to be break the 6,500 level. So we will need to see. This is just too new. The markets are just new yet opened. We need to wait. Don't be panic and don't be do anything without rational, because maybe if you panicked and maybe annunciations could be happen and the market will be go up because there's AI and the AI stocks is make American market to be boom. So we're just waiting for it. The gold is still surging to the 5,150 level. Won't go up, won't go down, just squeezing through here and just waiting. But it's still above the Kaplan moving average, so that's good for the gold. But I wouldn't suggest gold. I wouldn't buy gold. Why? Because it made its run, and gold have to be a cool down from these levels for maybe a couple of months, maybe a couple of years. Because if you look at the weekly, gold was made its run through the 2020 in the August. It made a huge run. It went up to the 75%. It made a cool down, waited people for like almost 4 years with only 2% up. So I will suggest the gold at the moment. We need to wait, I think. Also with the silver, yes, there's a shortage in the silver, but the technical look in the silver is not good because it hit to the Kaufman moving coverage, rejected from there. So we need to wait for the go up. We need to see the gold, because gold is the major thing in this market, and gold is the locomotive for the silver. Whenever the way the gold is going, the silver will be follow it. The cryptocurrencies has been way down really much. It's in a bear market at the moment, but maybe it can be just hit to the bottom level, because look through here, this bottom. Also you can see over here the candles are ended through here, bottom side, 2023 bottom side, and it's almost near through it. Maybe it can be going up to 75 or 85 in sudden, but it can be wait us through here. Maybe it can be go back to 6,000 levels and go up, go down, go up, make a chainsaw market. It can be do it. So for the Bitcoin we need to wait. But if we have to look at the daily, it's above the Kaufman moving average, and the American market just opened. Within that, it doesn't go down for the Kaufman moving average, so this is good. This is a buy signal, and this is bullish signal by the way for the short term. But in long term, I don't think it will be suddenly go up to the 125 level. With the Ethereum, the same thing. As you can see through here, the same, it followed this pattern. XRP is not seems good. It hit to the Kaplan moving average, but I do not suggest at the moment because it made a weak upside trend. So I do not like the candles at the moment for the XRP. I can only make predictions. If the Bitcoin will be stay above the $7,000, it will be hit and break the 150 level and made its run for the 169. But it's only a prediction. It's not have to be the 100% of true. It can make you loss of money. It's risky for the way. With the XMR just waiting for its run, and the situation in the XMR is good, but it follows the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin have to be good to be Monero to be go up, but Monero is not only dependent on the Bitcoin, because when Monero wait its run for the 800 levels, the Bitcoin won't be up at that time, and it was going down, but Monero was going up. So Monero just waiting for its time for the cryptocurrencies to be go up. AVAX once break this 950 level, it went down for just checking its resistance. Once resistance, now support level. If it's going to be succeeded through here, if the Bitcoin will be stay good, main way is going to be 1015 and then the 1150 at the moment for the AVAX. The Fed coin was made a really good run for both of the days, like 14%. This is good. It could not be break to the Kaufman moving average, but it's always hitting through there. if the Bitcoin will be successful to be stay about the $70,000, the same thing for this Fetch.ai too. It will be the first thing first, 175 will be the first, and then the 119.50 will be the second. Third, why I'm saying that, why we are all dependent for the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a locomotive, and whenever the locomotive goes, the Ethereum, the first will be follow it, and the XRP, the altcoins, all the altcoins will be follow it, because Bitcoin is the main dominance. So it makes them wait for the market to be go its own its way, and it's with determining the market's way. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.